So I open um rack one and no note one and note two. I log into root and yeah. So I want to set up. I want to execute this. Rack one. Let me make sure. This is on. This is on rack one. Okay. Oh, it's from the line. Yes.
Granada, that script, can you just adjust it? Like the first one was supposed to be the Shumona. Can you put it up and then put that one down?
Okay, so the next thing we want to do is um, reboot. Okay. Okay. So this one says reboot machine. I don't know if it is the VRAC one that we need to reboot. Then go to step one on VRAC 2.
Say that again, another.
I mean, according to the script, we need to reboot the machine. Then go to
I haven't even watched the video, but I believe the machine we are rebooting should be the one we are installing on, right? So it should be the rack
let me
you're
try to
installing on.
reboot this one.
I think it should be the server you're.
Okay.
Renata, where are you on the script? I can't see where you.
I am at this one, executing the initial ASM setup on server 1.
Oh, okay.
Later we are doing everything on both servers on both servers.
Not everything. For example, executing the initial ASM is only done on server 1.
Say that again.
Not everything is done on both servers.
Hi
For
everyone.
example, hey David.
Noise background.
Hi Renata.
Okay, as I was saying, not everything is done on both servers. For example, executing this initial ASM. Okay.
You are echoing, Renata. On two devices.
Yeah. Is it okay now?
Yeah.
Okay. Are you sure it is me?
I'm sure.
I guess it's not me. Do you have your phone open too?
No.
Can you
Oh,
mute
yes,
David? Can you mute David? Let's see. Maybe from David's side. I don't know.
Okay, let me try. Yeah. Okay, let me mute everybody. Okay. Is it okay now? Wait, I think I probably did something wrong. Let me try to cut.
It's okay now.
Yeah. So your question was if we do everything on both servers, right?
Yeah.
No, you don't do everything on both servers. You have things that you need to do on like each servers, like not the same thing on both servers. Like what I'm doing, you cannot do it on server 2.
So please, can you, when you switch from one server to another, can you mention it so that we
Okay.
can know?
Exactly. That's why I was asking, because I got a little bit confused too.
I don't know which one or two. Please.
Okay, so actually we are working on server 1.
Oh, okay. I wanted to say, I think you were supposed to just put while there. And here it was supposed to create 10 disks.
So
Yeah, it is 10. Oh no, it is not 10.
It's 9. It's even 8, if I'm not
So
mistaken.
you don't count the first one.
No, they are all numbered when you create them, but it's not mandatory.
Oh, okay.
With that script, it was supposed to create 10, but it's fine. It's not mandatory.
Okay.
Canada, are you the one typing that G H H H? Are you the one who entered it?
Which one, Joseph?
After before grid, where you have default user to own the driver interface. /G. All right, what's which sign is that? H H.
It was an error.
Ah, okay.
So this is why we got stuck at the last session at the level of installing this grid. I still don't know what this scan listener name is all about and what these things are used for. So no one still has an idea on what this thing is all about. This scan listener name. Hello. Hello.
I don't really know what it's all about.
Even me.
Yeah.
So we stuck to the same place.
Yeah.
Oh, we started all over because we got
No,
the,
I said we get stuck to, on the same place.
yeah.
Uh-huh.
Unfortunately, it is still saying the same
So
thing.
what Gaita said?
He cannot identify the error because from here, just with this, with what they are saying, you cannot really identify the error. So he asked me to reset the servers, which I did. So we erased everything in the server, and that's where I started all over today.
Oh. Yeah, man.
Yeah, Vivid, I'm here.
Do you have an
Even the
idea?
one we configured in our group, we were unable to log in into our databases. So surely it was not really well configured. So I don't know where the issue is coming from in our own. So I don't really know how to. And yesterday, this command actually worked on us, just that I did not pay attention to know how it was and how it worked.
I think the issue is at the level of installing this grid.
Let me try to see. And I don't even have the video. I would have looked at it.
But remember, the level of the grid, you already passed the level of the grid, or
Installing it now. That's what we're trying to do right now.
because I see you put in Brontech. Now go back. Let me see something, please.
Now,
Yeah. Oh, okay. Oh. This script, the script you are using, is it like a general script or a script you came out with?
it is a script that Yvonne's group used. I even asked those other groups. Um, there's one group. Is it in our class? Is it what solution or what? Well, I asked them because they asked me to reset your server. So I believe they did everything, and they told me they don't even have any script. So
And did anyone like watch the video, maybe to
I watched
see
the
if,
video, but I did not see him doing um this thing. And to be honest, that video is so boring that you are not even able to understand what he's doing. So we are stuck at the level of installing the grid.
and so you say you asked Gaitan, right? Did he like he never told you, and he just said you should like reboot the server or clean the server? That's all. So he never mentioned if there was anything you needed to do for
Oh,
them.
that's the only error they tell you. They just tell you that some environments fail. So
So I'm saying, you know, some of these servers, like it used to happen before. You might be running the same script with someone, but yours is not working, and you know, maybe due to the servers or something. So I don't know. That's why you see me saying this. So my point was like, maybe we could try another the other servers, the rack servers, because we have different servers, right? Could we try with another one to see?
We do have two. I don't know how many.
This is a class 12 rack 1 we are using and class 12 rack 2, right?
Yeah, we do have like two servers.
So we have another one like class 12 rack 2. I mean, how do they?
Class 3.
Class, or maybe another one now. Let me be like.
Ask Renalda. I don't know.
This is class 12 rack 1. Do we have any other, like maybe for example class 10 rack 1 that we can use?
Renalda.
If we have any,
she's coming.
We can try the other servers to see if
we're
gonna have the same issue.
Joseph, you want to use the other servers?
Yeah, I was just saying, let's just try to see with the other servers to see if we're gonna encounter the same issue or not. Just a suggestion, though.
Emman.
Yeah.
Do you want to use the other servers? The other thing.
Or do you want to practice on another servers?
want to try it on another the 2 other servers.
So I'm not really ready to do it today. No, I have so many things going on in my brain,
Okay.
so I can't be concentrated.
Anyway, I don't know if I can use RAG 3 and 4 with my student number.
Say that again.
I don't know if I can use 1, 2, 3, and 4 with my student number right now.
I don't understand what you say.
I'm using RAG 1, RAG 2. If I want to use the other one, it's gonna be 3 and 4, right?
Exactly, yeah.
That's what I'm saying. With my student number, I don't know if there's any issue with that.
Okay. Yes, this is your student number, 504.
Uh-huh.
Okay, I understand what you're trying to say now.
I think you can use it.
Okay.
Yes, you can use it, and if there's any issue, you can just give it to Prof to maybe clean it. I was
And
trying
one
to
more
see
question,
if
please.
somebody could have helped us, but the person is not available.
One more question, please. Are we supposed to run them? Because Renata, I'm seeing you're using your saver on both rack 1 and rack 2, right? Is it supposed to be like that, or we have to use another person's saver on one of them?
I mean, that's a good question. I don't really know.
You know, like in data, like how we do on data guard and on Golden Gate.
Golden Gate.
So that's why you see, I'm asking if we have to use your saver for both, or we have to use another saver, like connecting rack 1 on another saver on another student and rack 2 on a different student.
To be honest, I think it's on different student number, because from the explanation you have on the slides, it is 2 different.
Saver, yeah, that's why I'm asking, because when you talk about this, for example, when you start talking about the notes, right? Those are 2 different savers. Note 1 is on a different saver, note 2 is on a different saver. But now you are working on one saver. You are making rack 1 on the same saver, rack 2 is still on the same saver. I don't know if you understand what I'm saying. Those nodes, they represent savers now. So they have to be on 2 different savers. But now you are using just yours. So I don't think that's how it's supposed to be.
Yvonne, did you guys use the same student number for the 2 servers, for the 2 racks?
Honestly speaking, when we started our configuration, I wasn't available. I got involved when we went to the stage of almost creating the database. So that's why I really don't know how to contribute here. And the script, I was the one that gave them this script, actually. But before giving them the script, I did not really follow up. So I was just looking at the script and imagining what should be done. So that's why I'm mixed up. I was trying to call somebody to help us, but the person is busy right now. So I myself, I feel stuck. Like I cannot even contribute at this point.
Joseph, what you're saying actually makes sense.
That's true. I feel so too. Because rack 1, like us, we had rack 8 running on server 1. Then we had another rack 8 running on server 2.
Yeah.
Just like people have a rack 12 running on maybe this one, but I cannot really see.
Normally, right? From the normal understanding, that's how it's supposed to be. They cannot run on both on a single. They have to be on both server. Rack 1 on student 5 or rack 2 on a different student number.
That's true. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna leave this one and we'll use the other class slide. I think we have 2. We have class 12 and class we have class 12 and class 13. So we're going to use class 13 now, and I'll ask Rob to clean this one. So I don't know if anybody is willing to use rack 2. I'm gonna use rack 1, and if anybody is available for
What do you mean if somebody is available? I don't understand the question.
Anybody wants to use rack 2, right?
We need 2 savers.
Uh-huh.
So that's what I'm saying. You're asking if anybody is available, like you want to make the person the host to share the screen to start doing it.
No, the person is going to do. Oh, okay, I see. I can do it on my computer.
Yeah, all you need is a student number. That's all.
Okay.
And then there's one thing. I like they say once you install, you cannot install it. You cannot install again, right?
Once you install.
Yeah, the rack now. Once you have installed the rack, like you cannot uninstall and install it again. Like for example, if we use the servers right to install, then maybe you want to use the same server again to do the installation again. Is it gonna work after cleaning?
No, you cannot. You need to clear the server.
So after you clear or you clear it, that's when you can use it to start again. But if you uninstall, you cannot still use it.
No, you cannot.
If I remember Gaitan saying if you uninstall, it's gonna uninstall, but there are certain components that are still gonna remain.
Okay, whose student number should I use?
You can use mine or any one.
Are you student 60 or 30?
30.
Okay.
Can you close the other servers so no, we just have to? I'm always wanting to ask that. Why is it that when you run it like that, it always brings up an error like no such file or directory exists?
Because I actually made an error.
Did you notice that here it created 10 this instead of 8?
Exactly.
Yes.
Why don't you? Everything's changing so things are weird with Daniel at work. I just really thought that Matt and I could have a future. Just wish one thing could stay the same. Well, we're not going anywhere, so can't that be enough for you for a while? Yeah. Hi, Billy. I worked too hard to let someone else stop me from having fun at this party. A party I was invited to. There you go. So wait a minute. Yeah, who cares? I deserve it, and I'm going. I have to get a dress. Oh, I got it. Mom, remember when you come on a little late last spring?
No.
What?
You mute yourself, please.
I need scissors, thread, and a shoe.
Oh, it's you, Renata.
Every one of those.
So it is not, it is still not working. I don't know why.
Those requirements that the server is
It's
the
gonna be
same issue.
hanging. Yeah. Gonna
Oh
be
my
hanging like that
goodness.
again. I don't know what's going on.
you must fulfill this
Hmm.
requirement before continue with the installation.
Hi.
What are those requirements?
Is it hanging? Why is the server hanging like that?
They fell. You didn't see it up there.
Huh?
Some requirement check fail. So
I know. I said, why is it, the server is hanging and like it is like it's freezing or something?
Anybody has a different script apart from this one? Maybe
Is it at the level?
try.
Are you sure it's at the level of the script or something?
I don't know, but ours worked. So I don't know.
maybe you should check again and snap a picture and send to Gaita because
The reason, let's check the first reason. I see up here, could not execute auto check for display colors using what. Renata, do you remember this particular one? I think when we're installing, is it 12C, something like this, we encounter a problem like this, right? With the color stuff.
You always have this thing, this error, but it means a lot of things. For example, on the 12C, it was because of the batch profile. At one time I had this issue, this same problem, but it was because I was using Puri instead of VNC or mobile extend. So it can mean a lot of things. You cannot actually detect the problem from this statement. It can mean a lot of things.
Did you try working on VNC?
No, I haven't. I tried opening VNC, but it did not work. But mobile extend is
The same. We actually work on VN. I don't know where to allocate the problem, and I didn't take a video of it. I didn't record.
even do you guys work on it on PLC?
Yes, we did. We worked on it. That was Tuesday.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, that was Tuesday.
Maybe this one we are having issue because of that.
But the problem, even when you try to create a database, you say you cannot get in the database in your group.
We created the database and it worked. But today we tried to access the database.
Mm-hmm.
The database we could not even log into the database. But at least the first day we created it.
I remember.
Yes, that's true.
Seigneur Jésus-Christ de Nazareth.
Oh, God.
Now, the way these things are, with these servers that we have, it's not something that someone will go now and practice it and then come back in the next meeting and say, I did it and it worked.
It's just that none of you has time, like me too. I don't have time. If somebody had gone through the video, somebody would have had an idea. I've not gone through the video, so I was just following the script. Since it's the same script that the previous people have been using, because it's one and the same script that people from since class 16 that have been using the same script.
Me too. I've not followed that video. That's you know the issue with videos, right? It's like you know, if you're ready to try, like, let me say you want to try it. That's why I said the
You are breaking.
problem is
Your break.
Yeah, it's working a lot.
maybe you might have your free time and you're watching the video and practicing at the same time.
Sometimes you can watch the video and just create their scripts. Oh, sometimes when you watch
That's
the
risky.
video,
That's
sometimes even
risky.
if you don't create the script, you see certain things that is easy for you to understand. It's
I
just
know.
like in my group, one guy watched the video. So following the script that I gave, it was easy for him. Though I've not watched the video since they said it's very long, 4 hours. I just feel like it's too much for me.
That's what keep me down. I think yesterday is installation. You will not say you want to skip or you want to forward the video because you miss some.
What is Mama doing? Hey. What is Mama doing? What are you doing, Mama? Mama.
Venice, mute yourself.
You hear what your grandma is saying?
Yes, mute yourself, Venice.
So what's the way forward now, Renata, on this?
Yes, so like you don't even know what. Oh.
Joseph, what were you saying?
Joseph.
What are we doing
No,
now?
she's done.
Now you have to send all this to Prof to clean before we start it.
Yeah, before we can do anything again.
But you know what is better to take a picture of it and send to by chance. Because saying that we should just clean the server and start over, he cannot solve the issue.
Exactly.
That's the problem.
So Grandpa didn't think it was a good idea for her to go. Because he was ashamed of you.
So let's watch the video. We have just 2 servers, Renata.
Yeah.
So this was the last one.
Uh-huh.
Nice.
This is the last one.
So it means there's nothing we can do now, only to go and maybe try to see if we can watch the video. So
Can you guys look for, ask any other people if you know anybody that has another script. Probably gonna have.
let me check. Let me ask this young man. Let me ask Bello if they have a script in their group.
Mm-hmm.
Let me just call him and ask and hear what he say.
Oh, Jesus. Rack.
Hello? Hello?
Yeah.
I just called him. He said the script they used last time that they had an issue, but he said the script they are using is from Gaitan, that he shared it in the group. Because I don't know about that. Because he even said it looks like they had to clear their servers and they want to like do it tonight again. And he said that he has used the script because I was like, I never saw any script from Gaitan.
Me too.
He said Gaitan sent the script in the group. But I've asked him to share the script to me. So
Okay.
he said it's a little bit using now, but maybe in a minute or so he's going to send it to me.
Okay. So we can.
But did anyone see Gaitan sending the script?
No, I didn't see.
Yeah, he just sent it.
Or something like that.
Oh, let me share. He just sent it to me now.
That was the video. Maybe.
No, I think I saw some. I've shared in the group. I think I saw something like this. Check. I've sent in the group another.
Another, try to compare.
And it's very short there. The script is very short. But it's almost the same thing now.
It's almost the same.
Renata, can you open it here? Let's see it so like we can go through it. Because there's something I don't understand here. Is Renata there?
I don't know if she's there.
Because on this script I shared, I don't know if people are looking at the script. I'm trying to see where they did the run installer here on this script. I don't see it, but I see where they run the grid.
It's like 4 pages. Let me see on my WhatsApp computer.
Renata.
She's coming. Maybe she's somewhere.
Look at where they run the script for the grid, right?
I need to check on my WhatsApp.
This one that you just plus 17 rack.
Yes, log in to 17 rack. Under that you have directory location. Then you have /downloads /11.2.0.3_software/grid, right? I'm trying to see, but we run something like run installer. I was seeing Renata did something like run installer.
Please read this entire document.
But I'm not seeing it here, so I don't know if I'm confused myself.
Let me compare with that one too.
Is this one with from 1 to 7?
Huh?
Is it this script from 1 to 7?
No, the one below, after the 1 to 7, below the one from 1 to 7.
Concept.
Where it says step by step, prepare the cluster class, 17 racks and share storage. You see that?
Let me check also the first one. Okay.
Because that's where we are being stuck, right? To install the grid infrastructure.
Let me see which one I have to check. Let me see the rack installation Joe test. Okay. Rack.
Marinette, are you seeing what I'm talking about?
One install grid infrastructure.
Yeah, step by step, prepare the cluster cloud. Where you say install grid infrastructure. So yeah, you log in as class. Under that, it say directory location.
Yes, download 11.2.0.
Yeah, but I saw Renata after doing this, then she went and did something like run installer, right?
I need to check where.
Or am I confused? I saw her doing something like run installer now.
Yes, yes.
But here I can't see it when they did that, like they run the running the run installer script.
So we do also. Let me see. I see like one. That one is
That's
joke.
what I'm saying.
No, I need to check. Wait, you can. I'm just verifying too.
After download here, but even here they didn't see the two.
I'm talking about this step by the script I just shared now.
Yeah.
Even the one we are working on, I have the impression that we are not following that script correctly. I don't know.
Because I saw Renata doing run installer, or I'm still asking the question, did anyone see her doing that, or I'm the only one?
I did one installer. That's because when you reach at this level, they're talking about the scan listener, but I don't know what it means. So all these things, when I list this directory, I don't see these things. So I don't know what it means. So instead of doing this, because I cannot even do it, I prefer doing the run installer because it doesn't even show you where you have to do it.
Are we supposed to just run this grid like that and then proceed? What's the next step after we put this slash download 11.2 blah blah blah? After that, what do we, because that's our problem.
You list. Wait a minute, let me try something.
After list, I see scan listing and name. What's that?
Yeah,
I don't
know what it is either.
I don't know to compare those two.
Let me ask this guy.
See, there's nothing you can do apart from doing the run installer. But the script is not clear enough. It tells you to list, then you get here, then you do the run installer.
So, Renata, when asking Gaitan, you make sure, I don't know if it's about our servers now or what, because I don't really know. Because normally it shows that you have to run the run installer after that. Hello?
I don't know where she.
But now look at, is it not, it ended now, or you are still the one running it again? You want to run it again?
Yeah, I mean, I was trying to see according to what the script says, but it is still the same thing.
Try running it again. Let's see.
Okay.
You don't think you need more than that? You don't have your method.
It's still the same thing. If I put here,
I thought that was a method.
same thing.
Worried about my son. He is acting.
When you want to log into those video, which password and that you guys are using?
Renata, are you connected as root?
No, I'm connected as grid, not as root.
Try connecting as root. Someone is saying that we should connect as root. Then
Okay. I don't think it's gonna work.
Never cover a murder for each other. Well, if you have one fault, it's that you love too much. Never started to get married. And couple, you and Nico will go to jail.
Okay, I'm ready for it. That's good.
It didn't give you where to put password, but you put it that way.
Okay.
So tell them that little newsletter is available for monthly. Willing to do cover. What? It's just models today tend. They often, and this is a terrible thing, usually what they're looking for. Yes, I know I'm not 19, but there are plenty of models that are in their late 30s.
You need to be connected as grid. You cannot do it as the root user.
Unless you can come up with another way to get money, start calling.
You cannot do it as root. You need to be connected as grid.
Right? I mean, someone who takes risks.
hello. Renata, connect as root and then do this. Let me tell you
I
what.
am connected as root right now. It did not work. The user is root.
Type this X host space plus.
Excuse me?
Type X host. X, the letter X. Host. Space plus sign.
Where's the plus sign?
All right, then now run. Do this echo space dollar display, dollar sign, capital letter display. Yeah. All right, then now go back now and then try to run it. Go to that direction and then try to run it again. Let's see now.
You say the same thing.
It says cannot continue, the user is root. So you have to disconnect from root.
Yeah, I need to be connected as grid, not root.
Yes, now go back. Yeah, that's why I say you have to. We are already done with root now. I'm sorry.
You say the same thing.
The issue is when we stack, we cannot go over. So they have to clean first the server.
See, I know that the only thing I'm suspecting here for me now is the app that we are using, this mobile extend. I think we're supposed to do this thing on VNC to run this. You know, most of these installer stuff, when you run
It's
them
on VNC.
they give an error. So to me, if you run it on VNC, it's gonna work.
Let's try.
So we tried connecting to VNC the last time, it did not work. I don't know if this time it's going to work, but let me try. It's not working. I don't know if it's my VNC that's not working or somebody else can try.
Is that how they connect on VNC with the rack?
You put class 13, another? It's not class 12.
No, we're using 13 now.
Okay.
Ah, no, it's not working. Not still working. Somebody can try with with this BNC and C. I don't know if it's my BNC that has an issue.
Renata.
Joseph.
Yeah, to connect on VNC, say how do we connect now? Let me try. If
The same way, you just put class 13 rack 1 colon
hold on.
student. Okay, let
Oh.
me just, you see this way. Same way.
Class 13 rack 1, then the student number. Oh, let me try. So. It says cannot establish connection. Are you sure you have entered the correct network address and port number if necessary? That's what appeared on my side.
Is it class 13?
There is no semicolon, no colon. Look, class 13, rack 1, student, and you put like a colon. I remember last time, Henalda. Put a colon between student
When you
and
put colon,
504.
it doesn't even let you do it.
Try to put that colon. No. Between student and 504.
Between student and 504. Okay.
Yeah.
It's the same thing.
It is to sound.
Yvonne is still there. She remember what they put as an address on GNC.
That's what we did. We put colon in between a rack and student number. It worked for us.
Between rack and student number?
That means after 1, class 13, rack 1, semicolon student.
It's supposed to be between rack 1 and student number because this is how I use. This is how I use to connect. Yeah, it is between rack and student number.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
We should check. Look like we should check. I'm sure because if I'm also having the same error, means we are not connecting well. Because I don't think we have an issue with the VNC. It means we are not trying to connect properly or something else.
We already tried that one and it didn't work.
Which one?
The
I tried the
rack.
first one. I tried the first one, class 13, rack 1, student. I put my student number. It didn't go through.
Oh, okay.
I tried already.
Oh, Jesus.
So what are we going to do?
Hello, guys. Are you going to stop today or what?
Okay. Yeah, I don't even know. Probably Joseph is looking for a solution or what.
Yeah, we are waiting for Joseph.
Oh, okay. Hopefully.
Hello. I've tried making a call, but to no avail. I was thinking a friend could help me out, but I could not succeed. So I don't know what we have to do now. Renata, do you have a screenshot of this? So maybe
Oh,
you have to send it.
yeah, I took a picture of this and I sent it to Bob.
So I don't know if on Saturday again.
I think the best thing you need to do is to be looking for other scripts.
Yeah.
Yeah,
I think we have
find
to.
other scripts that can work. Because right now, there's nothing we can do. I'll clear the servers again, the two servers again, and hopefully by Saturdays, it's okay.
So Renata, how's it on the right?
That's okay. I think I sent it to Yvonne, that thing, it takes a lot of time to send it. Marinette told me, right?
Okay, my dear.
No problem.
Thank you.
Okay. So, baby, if you want it, just send me your email address. I'll just send all the notes and the.
So
then
the
among
resume, can you
yourself.
send the resume so we can see or we can
I'll send
modify?
you what I have, even though I'm not sure.
Okay.
Wait,
Okay.
you have not, I'll just send it to you.
Okay.
Make some modification and all those stuff.
Right?
You do have my email, remember, to DB1? Check
I
BBC.
changed my phone. Just send it to me again.
Okay, I
send me
will.
your email again.
I'm
I'll
doing
send you
it.
guys everything plus the resume.
Okay, thank you. So let's work on that script. If Yvonne can find somebody can help us on Saturday, we're gonna try.
Okay.
Oh, Yolanda, can you connect me to the person that is doing the resume?
I did it. The one I did it online. The resume, the one I did it online.
Oh. How much do you pay?
It's like $2 and something for 14 days.
Only?
Yeah, 14 days. You use it as you wish. You can do resume. You can do there's something you can do.
I know that I did it online, but I did by myself, and I have to pay another resume like that. But it wasn't cheap. I think it was.
The one I did, it was cheap. I think I even did another one.
Thank you so much, guys. I see like we are done.
Okay, no problem. We'll
We
meet
are
on
done.
Saturday.
Oh my gosh.
Right on Saturday.
Okay.
Yes, we're gonna try.
Mm-hmm.
Thank you. Good
Okay,
night.
good night.
Night.